The Holzkraft TWB-1. The compact workbench for precise work, mobile, robust, and versatile in use. Weighing only 10 kilograms, the TWB-1 is especially lightweight and perfectly suited for mobile use. With double guide rods and an opening capacity of 130 millimeters, it provides a secure hold for a wide variety of workpieces. Thanks to the clamping mechanism on the feet, it can be quickly and easily attached to any table. 4 practical bench dogs are included as standard. The Holzkraft TWB-1, compact, sturdy, and ready for use anywhere. The solid worktop made of finger-jointed beech wood ensures high-dimensional stability and maximum durability. Ideal for all woodworking tasks where precision and reliability are required. The Holzkraft TWB-1, compact, sturdy, and ready for use anywhere.